Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a footnote in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on. Then in the bottom right corner we have to tap on the pencil icon to actually edit it. And here we just go into the top row and tap on the plus icon, scroll down and then tap on footnote. And here we can add the footnote. If we want to index some information in our text, we can do it here. And yeah, just write whatever is referring to our text, some extra information. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.